I am a Beyblade seller who once couldn't afford a Beyblade. Viewers often drop me a comment asking how they can buy from me. Beyfan store is based in Malaysia. If you are from Malaysia, you can buy from me on Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok. If you are from the Philippines, search for this username on Shopee PH. But don't chat with us on Shopee from other countries, other than Malaysia. Those are handled by Shopee representatives, not us. If you are from Singapore, here's our Shopee SG username for you. If you need to chat with us, contact us via Linktree Beyfan store. If you are located in Chile, this is our username on Shopee CH. If you are from Taiwan, look for this username on Shopee TW. If you are from Thailand, here's our username on Shopee TH. We also sell to other countries such as the United States, Canada, England, Australia, New Zealand, and more via beyfanstore.com. We only use DHL because they offer outstanding services. Important tips for buying from us. Firstly, purchase multiple items in one order or organize a group buy. This will help you get a cost-effective shipping rate. Secondly, if you're getting 5 items or more, contact us. We'll be happy to see if we can help save on shipping costs. Thirdly, subscribe to our emails for a 5% voucher to be used on beyfanstore.com. Fourthly, after purchasing from our official site, remember to check email sent directly from us. We'll send you the information and photos of the items you purchase for confirmation. We will not proceed to ship until we receive your reply. Hope you will understand. Last but not least, we encourage you to check the import tax regulations in your country, as the buyer is responsible for any applicable taxes. Visit Linktree Beyfan store to get the links to our official store, as well as other online stores. If you need to contact us for purchase inquiries, also head over to Linktree or leave your questions in the comments. Alright, I'd better hurry before the logistics arrive for pickup. Stay with me until the end.